Hello! A lot happened on this model since the last video. This is video number 4 of the build-up of the Sauber-Mercedes C9 in scale 1:24 as a slot car. Yeah, so at the end it will race over a racetrack. My name is Michael Niemers, I'm a model maker and I want to show you now the progress on this model. To hide later a little bit the rear aluminium axle holders, I painted them with mud black. Here I primed them and then comes the mud black on it. Now the final assembly of the rear can begin. Yeah, I put such a car always into sections, and in this video we will have a closer look at the rear. The process is more or less the same as usual. Due to the fact that I have primed and painted the rear axle holders, it's necessary to scratch off the paint, I would say, and to make sure that the axle will sit straight. I use a 6mm blank axle, which I put through the holes, and with this I can see easily if everything is fitting good. Here's the first check if the diffuser sits in a good position, and I see directly that I have to put on the cables first. Just to let you know, I always use flux and I never had any issues with cables or electrics in the past. The ball bearings are already put in, and now I install the axle as I figured it out before at the fitting. So far so good, but to see if everything fits good I have to screw the body, what I've just done, and now I see that the wheels are free, the diffuser is not touching The body, it's absolutely straight, nice, neat and crisp. So that's the way how I like it. This is the already pre-painted gearbox, rear wing holder, body support section, and these I have to glue now to the diffuser. I use a 2-component glue. This is Patex Stabilit. I just love that stuff. It's drying not too fast, and at the end it will be very strong and, yeah, unbreakable, I would say. From now on, I have around 5 minutes to find the absolutely perfect position of the unit. If not, then there is nearly no possibility to redo it. I'm still in the 5 minutes window, and now I have added the rear wing to adjust it as good as possible. And yeah, my heart rate is already a little bit increasing. Woohoo! Here we see the result. And so far I'm very happy with it. And to make it a little bit more visible for you how tight everything is, I dismounted the rear axle. And now you can see that I have added the suspension, the cooler, some tubes, some nuts, and I did a little bit of washing. If you want to see more about this build up, just check my previous videos about this project, follow my channel, subscribe, give me a like for this video if you liked it. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions or ideas. Thank you and goodbye, your Michael.